Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect with Bitcoin and Ethereum to happen within the next hours. So let me show you guys. As of right now, Bitcoin has been trading within this, there were some fake outs, but within this ascending triangle. Let me show my trades are open over here on Phemex, 53% in the profit and 98% in the profits. These are two trades, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what can we expect? As you can see here, we have this really important line that we have to break, this resistance line at $28,800. We tested it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and we always got rejected. The big question now is, will we be able to bounce up here and break the line on the 5th attempt, so to say? Let's see. If you also want to trade, guys, if you use my links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So as of right now, we can see that we broke up above this yellow line, which acts now as support, and now we are heading towards this blue line that has been a big resistance since about the middle of March. So now let's see what Ethereum is doing, because Ethereum is really pumping today. And the situation for Ethereum is different, because we have been trading in this green upper resistance zone, and we have a lot of hourly closes and wicks in the zone. But as of right now, as you can see, we have already 1, 2, 3 hourly closes outside of this zone. As you can see here, this has never been before, at least since this zone here happened in also about the middle of March. We started to establish this zone, and now we have already the 3rd hourly close. So if you have at least 4 hourly closes, this would be really bullish, and we could scale up our trades. So that's what's going on with the markets right now, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.